You are cruising on Chrome with the brand new tool. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, now that's a jewel. Select any text and I'm feeling real cool. Sending data to my sheets, making moves like a mule. Got my workflows tight, automation's the key. Jump back to WhatsApp, I set it up with glee. Just right click and send, yeah, it's so easy. Pabbly's got my back, no need to feel queasy. I'm so Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah, it's lit. I'm automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fix. I hate Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Asleep. Hit the Chrome store, download, let's go. Add that extension, now I'm in the flow. Manage webhooks, set the URL in tow. Trigger events, watch the data grow. From Facebook groups to blogs I see. Select the text and it's history. Pabbly Sheets is waiting, it's all so free. Pabbly Connect, making life so breezy. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah, it's lit. I'm automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fix. I hate Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Asleep. Date and time, URLs all in line. Map it all out, everything's fine. No more copying, pasting, wasting my grind. Pabbly's got my back, it's automation time. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah, it's lit. I'm automating all my tasks, I won't quit. From Chrome to the cloud, everything's a fix. I hate Pabbly in my corner, I'm legit. Asleep. Date and time, URLs all in line. Map it all out, everything's fine. No more copying, pasting, wasting my grind. Pabbly's got my back, it's automation time. Pabbly Connect Web Clipper, yeah,